Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. You have another set of assignment. This is all for your examination. You are going to write the exam right now. So this assignment is going to help you for revision purpose. So what is this revision is all about? From lesson 2, you have very short answers, you have short answers, you have long answers. Some questions we have taken for a revision purpose. Let's begin that. Answer the following questions. What causes eclipse? What is eclipse? Now, when Earth rotates around the sun and moon revolve around the earth. When this all rotation happening, this is called eclipse. When the earth revolves or rotates around the sun and the moon rotates around the earth, when they complete one rotation, this all is called as eclipse. Okay. Now coming to the next question, how long can the lunar eclipse last? Okay, lunar is nothing but moon, right? How long can a lunar eclipse last? Lunar eclipse lasts for more than 1 hour or 1.5 hours, depends. Okay, and frequently lunar eclipse frequently it occurs. Solar, it is very difficultly yearly ones or something like that, but lunar comes very frequently. So it lasts for more than 1.5 hours. So this you understand what is eclipse and what is lunar eclipse. Let's write the answer. The revolution of the earth around the sun, the revolution of the earth around the sun and the revolution of the moon around the earth is cause eclipse. Okay, let me read again. The revolution of the earth around the sun and the revolution of the moon around the earth causes eclipse. Is it clear? When the earth revolve around the sun, when the revolution is happening and they complete one complete rotation, that's the revolution. And when earth rotates, the moon also rotates around the earth. That's what the eclipse causes. Is it clear? Now, a lunar eclipse can last up to 1.5 hours. So, 1.5 hours. Is it clear, children? Let's go for the another set of questions. What do Nicolaus Copernicus prove about the earth? What actually Nicolaus Copernicus has proved? Nicolaus Copernicus has said that the earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, the earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, and actually it's long back, Aryabhatta and Bhaskara also said the same thing actually, and they said that earth is in a sphere shape, but we were not known to the world actually, unfortunately. Okay, coming to the next question, how does an earthquake occurs and write 2 precautions taken during the earthquake. How earthquake occurs actually? When the interior of the earth, okay, when the interior of earth push upwards direction, when the earth gets heats up, more heats up and it push towards the crust. It push towards the crust. The trembling comes towards the crust and that's how the earthquake occurs. Okay, the trembling movement under the earth interior. It push upwards and that's how the earthquake occurs. Okay, and what precautionary measures you have to take during the earthquake? You have so many precautionary measurements, but here they said asking you only write 2 precautionary measures. You need to come out from the house immediately. Okay, you can write so many things. You have to come out from your houses immediately, and if you can't come out from the houses, better you take the shelter under the table. If the trembling is more, the fan or anything, the tube light doesn't hit on your head, so you need to take the shelter under the table or stand in the corner of the houses, and stand in the corner of the houses, the corner of your walls actually. Okay, that's how you can protect anything which falls on your head, and you can protect your head actually. Okay, so let's write the answer. Nicolaus Copernicus proved that the earth is in sphere and it spins on its own axis. Okay, just as I said, Aryabhatta and Bhaskara also proved that, but unfortunately they are not known to the world, but now they are known to the world. But who has discovered? Nicolaus Copernicus proved that the earth is in sphere and it rotates on its own axis. Okay, now let's see what is how the earthquake occurred. The magma and the gases in the earth interior moves and push the land upwards, making the earth trembling or vibrate. You know, the magma, the liquid, the magma, it push upwards, and that's how the earthquake occurs. It push upwards, the liquid. You know, when your mom boils the milk, if she forgets to switch off the stove, the mist come out, right? In the same manner, the magma, when it's more heat is there under the earth's surface, the interior of the earth, the magma push out and the crust trembles with the vibrant sound, and you will have the cracks on the crust also. You can see the roads, it gets cracks up. Okay, the magma and the gases in the earth's interior moves and push the land upwards, making the earth tremble or vibrant. Is it clear how the earthquake occurs? This violent trembling is known as earthquake. Now coming the precautions to be taken during the earthquake. Come out of an enclosed area and move to an open area. Okay, now enclosed area, enclosed means you are staying in your houses. So what immediately you have to do? You need to come out in the open area. That's the first point or first thing you need to do it immediately. If you can't run outdoor, shift to the corner of the room. So if you can't come out, if there is something which happens suddenly, your mind stops giving you signals. So at least you need to relax and you need to think what you have to supposed to do. If you can't come out from your houses, at least you need to see where is the corner of your room. If you can't run outdoor, shift to the corner of the room, away from the windows, fan or any other things that may fall on you. Why fall on you? This is very sensitive part of your body. Okay, you need to protect this. So that's what that unit 2 precaution. You have so many precautionary measurements are there, but for now the 2 is enough for you. With this, we have concluded your assignment, revision assignment, children. Make sure that you're preparing well for your examination and write perfectly your exam, children. Thank you.